Dr. Sweet. What do you think is the most valuable thing one can possess as the owner of a business? Most business people who were queried replied that there was nothing more valuable than a fine credit rating, period. I think you will agree that there are right paragraph. You have a favorable credit rating with us, Dr. Sweet, but you could jeopardize it if we do not receive a check from you by June 26 for $90 to pay for the repair work we did on your car recently, paragraph. Don't do anything that would harm your credit rating, semicolon. Send us your check for $90 today, period. Yours very truly.